Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video will be on this simple butterfly gown, and it's going to be a very quick one because I am under the weather. And without wasting so much time, let's get into the video. So for this tutorial, we'll be starting from our front bodice, and for this my fabric is folded in a triangular form, just like you want to cause your 90-degree flare. You can see I just folded it from the edge, and the next thing I'm going to mark is my bust measurement divided by 4. I'm just going to make a mark where it falls into, and then I'll use my ruler to connect it straight. So we are marking in a straight form, not in a curvy or flare form. For this measurement, for this bust measurement is a straight one. Then from there, because my is an off shoulder and I'm going to be taking out 5 inches, so I'm going to place my measurement, my tape at my bust point, and then go up and mark where my 5 inches falls into, and I'll mark a line straight as well there. Sorry, my chalk is not showing properly, but please pay attention to the tutorial. You will get it. It's a simple one. Then that's my where I marked my 5 inches. I'm going to go ahead and take my neckline, and for my neckline I marked at 4.5 inches, and then I'll make a curve to connect it to the bust point that we marked. Then for my neckline, because I don't want it to be a straight one, I am going down from that 5 inches by 1.5 inches, and then I will go ahead and connect it to where my neckline started. By the time I cut this out, you are going to understand it better. I'm sorry that it's not really showing. Please forgive us today. So I'm just checking to be sure that I have the measurement that I just marked. If you haven't subscribed up to this moment, please take 1 minute and hit on the subscribe button. Don't forget to share my videos to family and friends, and give me a thumbs up. Thank you. So the next thing I'm going to do is to mark the length of the gown, and remember we took out 5 inches, so our measurement is going to start from that 5 inches. I'm going to place my tape at 5 inches and then mark around. As you can see, my gown is short. At this point, if you want, you can make it a top, but I'm still going to add some fabric to make it longer. If you're using an Ankara fabric, I believe it's going to start, you're going to achieve your length, but this is not Ankara, it's not up to that inches. So this is after cutting it out, and this is for our back. The first thing I did is to fold my fabric into 2, and then for the width of this is my hip measurement divided by 4 plus about 4 inches, and then the length of it, I took out 14 inches away from my total measurement, and then I marked the remaining one plus my allowance for joining for hemming. Don't forget to add the allowance for hemming to the front one as well. So this is it. I have gone ahead to add some fabrics to make it longer for a gown, to be a gown. So this is also my back piece. I'm going to go ahead and attach it to the front one, and for this I'm going to be doing front facing front, and I'll start from the hemming side to stitch it all the way up to where it's going to stop, and I'll do the same thing for the other side. So this is it after I was done stitching the 2 sides. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to at the waistline, I'm going to gather this to be half of my waist measurement. So it's either you gather or you plait. So my waist measurement is about 36 inches, so I gathered this to be about 18 inches. So that's half of it, because the measurement started from my waist. But if yours started from your bust, please go ahead and gather according to your bust measurement divided by 2. What I'm just doing here is to trim the sharp edge at the armhole area so that it can blend into the back properly. So once I am done with it, I went ahead to cut out 1.5 inches fabric and the length is as long as possible that you can go around. So the piece is supposed to be able to go around from one armhole to the other, then through the back. That is why you're supposed to use it to pipe the front bodies and also to the back, just like you see me show you guys. And then this is what we are going to be used to replace our sleeve. And for this, remember we took out 14 inches from the back and then 5 inches from the front. Then I added 1 inch allowance to stitch it down. So that's what I have. I'm going to fold in the two sides and then fold in at the center to stitch it down. So this is it after I was done, and this is the gown after I was done with the piping as well. So the next thing that we're going to do is to attach our piece for the sleeve on this gown, this butterfly gown. So we see that pointy area, that was a guide for you to know where it's going to be, and then I'll attach it to the center back as well. So this is it after I was done with it. You can see is giving what is supposed to. If you want for this bag, you can use the same fabric so that it's going to blend in very, very well and give you what you want. But for me, I use 2 different fabrics so that you guys can see it properly. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.